Hey guys, welcome to In the Kitchen with Dreams and Drive. I'm here with my girl Samantha.
Hey guys!
And today we're going to be making a sweet honey lemon pepper shrimp. We're going to be pairing that Caribbean style with some sweet fried plantains. And we're going to be highlighting a Dream Driver brand today, Camella's Kitchen, alright? We're going to be using their spicy mango chutney as a dipping sauce. So if you're ready to see how we make this, keep watching. Delicious.
Yes, it looks delicious.
You really taste the sweetness of the shrimp with the spiciness of the sauce.
This is amazing. This is amazing. I taste the Caribbean flavor in this. Really good. This was so delicious. It has the perfect balance of flavor and spice. It's very flavorful. And I'm not even usually a person that likes spice, but this was so good. I couldn't stop eating it to the point where I ate it with my sweet plantains and my salad. So you can use that even as a dressing, you know? So it was really good and I'm definitely going to order it. Use code DID10 to get 10% off at checkout.